Cabinet door hinges can become loose over time, causing doors to sag or not close properly. Understanding the root cause is essential for choosing the right repair method. The three main causes of loose cabinet hinges are loose screws from vibration over time, stripped screw holes from wear or over-tightening, and door sagging from the door's weight. The first step in any hinge repair is to simply try tightening the existing screws. This often solves the problem if the screws have just worked loose over time. If the screws spin without gripping or won't tighten properly, the screw holes are likely stripped. This means the wood around the screw has worn away, leaving nothing for the screw threads to grip. Once you've identified stripped screw holes, there are several effective DIY repair methods. We'll start with the simplest and most common solution, the toothpick method. The toothpick method is simple and effective. Apply wood glue to several toothpicks, insert them into the stripped hole, break them off flush, and let dry. The wood fibers provide new material for the screw to grip. For a more permanent solution, wood filler can be used. This method works well when the hole damage is more extensive than what toothpicks can handle. For the strongest repair, especially on significant damage, the dowel method provides a solid wood base. This involves drilling out the damaged area and inserting a wooden dowel. Commercial hinge repair kits offer another convenient solution. These kits typically include plastic inserts and specialized screws designed specifically for stripped hinge holes. These repair methods focus on fixing the existing structure rather than replacing components. Choose the method that best matches your skill level and the extent of the damage. All of these solutions are cost-effective and can restore your cabinet hinges to proper working condition. Once your hinges are properly secured, the next critical step is aligning the cabinet door. Modern cabinet hinges feature 3 types of adjustment screws that allow precise positioning. To adjust your door, first loosen the adjustment screws slightly. Reposition the door until it sits correctly in the frame, then retighten the screws. Never over-tighten, as this can strip the holes. For gaps that cannot be corrected through screw adjustment alone, use shims or washers behind the hinge plates. This technique provides fine-tuning for perfect door alignment. For particle board cabinets or severely damaged screw holes, threaded inserts provide a robust long-term solution. These metal inserts create strong anchor points that resist future loosening. Preventative maintenance is essential for long-lasting hinges. Clean your hinges every few months and check that screws remain tight. This simple routine prevents most hinge problems before they start. Know when to seek professional help. If hinges are severely corroded, if the cabinet structure is damaged, or if you're uncomfortable with the repair process, contact a professional carpenter or cabinet specialist. The future of cabinet repair looks promising. Advanced repair kits and user-friendly tools are making these repairs more accessible to homeowners, supporting the growing trend towards sustainable home maintenance.